If you're approaching or over 50 or have children or grandchildren in the education system, watch this. The latest neuroscience, neuroplasticity, and neurogenesis research beautifully explains how and why photo reading works. Marilyn Devonish has been researching for the next photo reading workshop because it feels like the last one she'll be running for a while, so figured why not make it even more fabulous and spectacular. Here's a quick summary of the latest research. The brain has the capacity to learn beyond predetermined biology if you use deliberate learning. Photo reading teaches you the strategies for deliberate lifetime learning. After dissecting and studying Albert Einstein's brain, it was found the fundamental difference was the size of the corpus callosum, which gave him a better coordinated connection between the left and right hemispheres of the brain. The photo reading whole mind system is based upon left and right brain integration. You will learn simple 10 to 30-second ways to integrate the left and right hemispheres of your brain during the photo reading workshop. Deliberate learning strengthens neurological connections. Photo reading uses educational kinesiology and deliberate learning strategies to build and strengthen the neurological connections. Rote learning of disconnected facts does not change the brain. Photo reading teaches you how to go beyond rote learning, which is useful at any age and is not just for students. It is actually probably even more important as you transition into and beyond your 50s and 60s, because typically this demographic is no longer engaged in more traditional work or learning environments that present a daily challenge. Memories are encoded by physical changes in the brain. Photo reading presents a series of easy yet powerful processes which create new neurological connections. Learning experiences rewire the brain, make new connections, and strengthens the neurological connections. Photo reading is called whole mind, whole brain learning, and is focused on both building upon your existing knowledge and experience and building new neurological connections. The first person to put forward a new theory about the composition of the brain, Ramon Y. Cajal, was ridiculed by his peers. Further studies years later earned him a Nobel Prize for his same theories, research and work. Photo reading is designed to fire off and stimulate the discrete connections Ramon talked about. Photo reading has also been ridiculed over the years. A woman with half a brain had it rewire itself to work as a whole. Photo reading is designed to build upon, stimulate the growth of new neurological connections, which goes against the old adage that you can't teach an old dog new tricks. One of my photo reading workshop attendees, an author in her 50s, said, "You have opened up so many possibilities for me and inspired me to expand my life and knowledge. I don't feel as old as when I came. Thank you, Marilyn." Faster neurons ultimately lead to faster thought. Photo reading teaches you how to photo read at 25,000 words per minute and get through entire books in just 5 minutes whilst learning strategies to remember and recall what you've read. The typical average adult reading speed is 238 words per minute, 183 if you are subvocalizing. Source: The Scholar Within. Memory is as clear as its original signal. Step 1 of 5 of the photo reading whole mind system is starting with a clear purpose. Whether you're a business owner, corporate executive, professional student, or looking for something to provide your children, grandchildren, or nieces and nephews with a lifelong skill that keeps on delivering, this workshop is for you. Photo reading is a simple and easy to learn yet powerful and life, business and brain changing. I've had clients aged 7 to 70 plus attend my photo reading classes, and you can learn either in person or online. Learn this amazing skill for yourself in just 3 days. Go to www.transformationstm.com PhotoReading.